Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about being mentally stronger. So that's right, in this specific video, I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to be mentally stronger, and these will be easy steps. So let's get right into this instructional tutorial video with these super easy steps. There are 4 things that I'm going to be talking to you about, and hopefully you can improve your mental strength, your mental toughness, and you can become mentally stronger. So without further ado, we're starting off with number 1. Number 1 is talk yourself up. That's right. You want to talk yourself up. Tell yourself you're mentally strong. Tell yourself you're physically strong. Tell yourself you're amazing. Tell yourself you're incredible. Literally say those things to yourself. Even if you don't believe them, say those things to yourself. Because what's going to happen is you're going to start acting like the things that you say to yourself, and you're going to start becoming like the things that you say to yourself. That is going to be the likely scenario. So say those things to yourself. Even if you don't believe it just yet, say those things to yourself. Hopefully they'll start becoming true. Okay? So talk yourself up, pump yourself up with words, be positive towards yourself with how you speak to yourself. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is accomplish something more than usual. So, by that I mean that I want you to do something more than usual in terms of your accomplishments. That means you can do the same accomplishment but better, the same accomplishment but faster, or a bigger, better, different accomplishment. So if regularly you work out for half an hour a day, then maybe today work out for 35 minutes or 40 minutes or an hour, whatever, but just do something better or bigger or longer or faster than usual. Or maybe you still work out for the same amount of time, but you do maybe, a little bit of a more intense workout, okay? Or you just do a harder workout, or you just work out, with better form in the same amount of time. But just accomplish something better than usual. It's going to tell your mind that you are capable of amazing things, which I'll go over in a moment, okay? But it's going to tell your mind that you are amazing because you did something. You're going to feel proud of yourself, and that proudness will build your mental fortitude, your mental strength. It will allow you to be mentally stronger. So accomplish something more than usual, right? In some way, shape, or form. Build your accomplishment today better than you would usually do it, okay? So have a better accomplishment or a higher accomplishment or a bigger accomplishment today, than you would usually accomplish, and you're going to feel proud of yourself, and that proudness will translate eventually, hopefully, to mental strength. Moving on to Number three, surround yourself with positive influences. So if you're around people that are saying negative things to you, then guess what? You're going to feel that way. If you're around people that are saying positive things to you, then you're going to feel mentally stronger, okay? If your artwork around you is all about negativity, you're going to feel that way. If your artwork is about positivity, then you're going to feel positive and mentally stronger. If you watch negativity on, the TV or whatever, on media, then you're going to feel that way. If you watch positivity, you're going to feel mentally stronger. So surround yourself with positive influences. That means the people around you, the things that you see around you, the things that you watch, the things that you hear. If you surround yourself with positivity overall, you're just going to feel better mentally, and you're going to feel mentally stronger. At least that's hopefully what's going to happen. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. Number 4 is remember that you are capable of amazing things. Just as I said, okay, you're capable of amazing things, and that's the truth. So remember it. Okay? You are capable of amazing things. You can do amazing things if you want to. Okay? And you have to remember that. And the moment that you plant that thought in your mind and you realize that it is actually true, that you are capable of amazing things, okay, then that is going to help you to develop that mental strength. It's going to help you to be mentally stronger. Now, I don't say, I tend to, maybe sometimes I say it, but I don't really necessarily say, you are capable of anything because, I can't fly right now without a device. I can't just levitate with my feet. So I don't want to say anything, but I say amazing things because it means within my capability of myself as a human on this earth, okay? I am capable of anything within that realm of capability of a human being on this earth. Same thing goes with you. So that's why I say amazing things. You're capable of amazing things. And once you say it to yourself and you realize that it's true, you are going to have that mental strength. It's more likely that you are going to have that mental strength. It's more likely that you're going to be mentally strong and you're going to have that mental strength because you know that you can do anything within the realm of being a human on this earth. You're capable of amazing things. You can do anything that is amazing. As long as you set your mind to and you put in the work, plain and simple. And that's basically it. Hopefully these things can help you. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. But I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this specific video. So without further ado, here's the outro for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.